What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we have another Ultimate Edition. This is none other than Hollywood Hulk Hogan. As always, packing's amazing. In the back side gives you a little information about him. Front side, you can display him this way, take him out of the package. But you know what they're going to do. We're going to take him out of the package, going to review. Let's get started. So right off the bat, we have obviously the figure itself. Two interchangeable heads, glasses, belt, the NWO. Changeable hands. We got what he wears around his neck. Although I would have liked this to be some fabric or cloth at least. We'll go ahead and take him out. Take this other head out and then the shirt off. Ooh, this shirt is cloth. Amazing. Always the cloth all shirts always give you more articulation, so you can pose and however really you want to set up the figures with them. So this is a nice cloth. I like the back. Look at the level of detail that went to the back side. So this is Ultimate Edition, so I'm expecting, expectations are high for this one. Go ahead and take them out. Go ahead and remove the belt, and it has that classic NWO spray paint on there. So again, just with these Ultimate Edition, level articulation beyond amazing. Double jointed elbows, double jointed knees. This Hulk Hogan has a lot of accessories with them. First of all, you get a removable hat, two head swaps, and then you got the belt itself again, as stated. His shirt. Removable belt. This is an amazing figure to add to your NWO collection. Now we'll go ahead and slowly start putting his gear on. First of all, put the belt back on. Fabric clothes that allow for very great levels of posability. He's got his screaming head on there, mouth shut. What you gonna do, brother? Go ahead and put his bandana on. Then we'll put on his glasses. Hulk Hogan, the Hulkster, because the NWO belt. Let's grab the other Hulk Hogan. Let's see which one we have. So these are the ringside exclusive Hollywood Hulk Hogan. I like that cloth shirt with that necklace. And then we have their Ultimate Edition Hollywood Hulk Hogan. Again, I wish I would have had that more of the fabric, right? The cloth, because they did it. Pacific did it. Why couldn't they do it? I mean, it's a good figure, good pickup if you want to add them to your collection, but I think these just as well suffice. If you had the Jax one, or if you had that ringside exclusive Hollywood Hulk Hogan one, that one's an awesome figure. But you see what I mean? If we would have gotten this one, this fabric would have been a lot nicer. Look at how nice that looks. Hollywood Hulk Hogan. And then we'll put his bandana back on, and then we'll actually put his black glasses on. So again, it didn't come with this. Obviously, this is from the Jack Pacific. But it did come with this plastic one. Put them on here. First of all, just look at that level of detail in the legs. Look at the art in the legs, the lightning. Then these, the foot articulate, the knees, double jointed knees. This level of detail that went into this figure. It's amazing. Thank you all for watching. So you haven't seen my other videos, make sure I just officially did the 2021 figure room tour. That's a great video. I recommend you to watch that. As always, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Till next time.